Hello, and welcome to Your Path for Adult Learners, where we provide 24/7 online GED and HiSET preparation courses for adults seeking to earn their high school credential. So on today's Focus on the Test mini lesson, I will review a test item that will resemble what you'll see on your actual test. So let us get started. So here's what a test item may look like. What is the solution of the equation 5 times x minus 2 equals 4x minus 6? And here we have our 5 options. We have option 1, x equals 2, 2x equals 4, 3x equals negative 4, 4x equals negative 6, and 5x equals 10. Need your high school diploma? Your Path for Adult Learners offers 24/7 online GED and HiSET preparation courses for adults that are seeking to earn their high school credential. Learn more about our program at yourpathforadultlearners.com. So now, in order to solve this problem, you want to utilize the distributive property in order to simplify your equation to solve for x. So now, what is the distributive property? The distributive property is when you multiply 5 times each value within the parenthesis. So you're going to multiply 5 times x and then 5 times negative 2 first, okay, in order to simplify this equation by one step in order to solve for x. So now let's do that now. When we multiply 5 times x, we get 5x. And when we multiply 5 times negative 2, we get negative 10. Equals, and we're going to write the expression on the right side of the equation, which is 4x minus 6. So the next step that we're going to take to further simplify this equation is we're going to move this 4x over to our left side of the equation. And we do that by minusing out 4x or subtracting 4x on both sides of the equation. So when we subtract 4x on both sides of the equation, that allows us to cross out 4x on the right side of the equation because a positive 4 and a negative 4 cancels itself out. That leaves us with a negative 6 on the right side of the equation, and positive 5 minus 4x gives us 1x. We do not have to write the 1 in front of the x, so we're just going to put x minus 10. So now our next step is to get rid of this negative 10 so that we can isolate the x. So here we're going to do that by adding 10 on both sides of your equation. So now when we add 10 on both sides of the equation, we get x equals, and I'm going to write that here, x equals, and a positive 10 minus 6 gives us 4. The value takes the sign of the highest value, and in this case that is 10. So here we have x equals a positive 4. So when we come over here to our options, we can see that option 2 is the correct choice in this case because x equals a positive 4. So when we answer our question, we have what is the solution of the equation 5 times x minus 2 equals 4x minus 6. Having solved the equation, we know that x equals a positive 4 And in this case, that is option number 2. Therefore, we can eliminate options number 1, 3, 4, and 5. So now we can check our answer by inserting the value of x into this equation. And when we do so, we get 5 times 4 minus 2, because 4 is the value of x, equals 4. The value of x again is 4. So we have 4 times 4 minus 6 on the right side of the equation. Okay, so when we solve this, we get 4 times 4 gives us 16, minus 6 on the right side. 5 times 4 gives us 20, and then 5 times negative 2 gives us negative 10. When we further solve this, we get 20 minus 10 gives us 10. And then 16 minus 6 gives us 10 as well. And so we know that this is true because 10 equals 10. So therefore, our value for x, which is a positive 4, is correct. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and watch out for more videos to come your way. You can do that by hitting the notification button. Also, follow us on our social media platforms, such as our Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and right here on YouTube, so you'll stay updated on our program and services.